Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply delete Steam games. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here to library, and let's find a game like here, Outpost. It's a really cool game, and what I'm going to do, I'll just right click on it, manage, and here you're gonna see uninstall. Let's click on it and let's uninstall the game, and voila, here you got it. Then what you can also do, you can also go to right click, properties and local files, uninstall the game. That's also like another way how you can do it. So thank you everybody, have a great day, and if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. I'll just install this, and yeah, goodbye.